Hi, I'll be showing you how to add the company and department. To add the company, you need to click on the masters and click on company. By default, there is a default company available. If you want to add your company, you can click on add, enter your company name. You can define the short name for your company. Visible to all. This box is by defaultly checked. If you uncheck this option, when you are creating the users, at that time what happens is there is an option to access the invisible item. If this company is invisible mode and the user doesn't have the permission to access the invisible items, this company users will not be reflecting for that particular login. Next is email ID. You can enter your mail ID here. Enter the website. And you can, if you require, you can add the logo of your company, clicking on this icon and say add. If you require, you can enter your company address details and say add. So my company is added here. Now to add the department, you have to click on masters, go to the departments, click on add, enter your department name, enter the short name, give the description if required, and click on add. Once you add the department here, you can edit and define the departmental head if required. If the notification, if you are setting the mail notification for late coming, early going, those notifications can be sent to the departmental head. That departmental head can be added here by right clicking and add department head. You can select the particular employee and you can add it. Once you add the employee here, this becomes a departmental head what you have created, and say update. Close it.
Take few seconds to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon button so you will get all notification of our latest updates.